everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. I haven't unboxed something in a little while just because I haven't had any recent orders placed on Weavers. So I ordered the BTS Map of the Soul 1 DVD and I just got it in the mail today. Before we get into the video, don't forget to follow me on all my socials, and to keep up to date with me, definitely follow my Instagram. Here it is. I didn't order the Blu-ray version. I don't have a Blu-ray DVD player. I also don't have a DVD player, but I felt like I needed to have this in my collection. The regular DVD is in the red packaging, and then on the back it shows the different discs. So disc 1 is part 1, and then disc 2 is part 2, and the second day solo stages, and then disc 3 is like the making film. Here is what it looks like out of the plastic. It is beautiful. It has their names and stuff on the bottom. And then this is what the side looks like. And then you get these, they look like movie tickets kind of. You get all the members in here. First oh, they're like holographic. That's really pretty. So June. And then on the back, this is what it looks like. Jin. Yoongi, loved him wearing this jacket. It made me want to buy it, but I never ended up getting it. Hobi, beautiful. Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook. Those are beautiful. I love those. Okay, and then you take out the DVDs and they just look, or this is a DVD and then this is the book. The DVDs are in the red part and you get the 3 discs. And then here is the book, which I'll do a flip through with you guys. But oh my god, I got a Jimin! He looks so good. Beautiful. When I said in my last unboxing video, I think it was for the memories, I literally said Jimin only likes me when I order things here in Korea. I literally never pulled him in Canada except for that one time. I literally flipped right to this page and I am obsessed. That's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was kind of like a shorter unboxing video, but that was all that I had ordered today. I do have some videos coming up. I'm not sure if this video is going to be up before my RM cafe event birthday vlog or if that's going to be up first, as well as the like hair dyeing video. I literally have not even looked at the footage yet and I need to edit that, so that will be coming soon. Sorry guys, I've just been really off my game. Like work has been really stressful, but I'm going to try my best to get back and edit a lot during my Chuseok holiday. I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next video.